Welcome to Financial and Investment Wisdom. What if I told you that with just a few seconds of work, you could start making money? We'll be able to generate a respectable sum of money every few seconds with this new method. You can make up to $600 per hour. Sounds unbelievable, right? Look at these websites. The fact that there are many different ways to pay is the nicest aspect. Additionally, it doesn't call for any money, affiliate marketing, social media involvement, or YouTube videos. It's really a straightforward, step-by-step method for regularly earning money online. 5squid.com is the platform I'll be showcasing today. People use this website to seek, sell, and buy services for a defined price. You'll notice as you scroll down the website that a variety of people offer a variety of services. Please click on these 3 lines that are right next to the search bar. You may find a number of other categories where you can make money in this category's bar, but today I'm going to show you a brand new keyword provided by 5squid called Your Message On. This is a brand new keyword that 5squid is offering where you may earn money with no work. Without providing any graphics, videos, or other creative content, and, most significantly, without employing an affiliate link, you may use this technique to acquire a list of services from all over the world after someone clicks on your message. It's amazing to see so many people offering their services here, from all around the world. You can see the services, but what matters more is that we can see that they consistently make money, which is what we need. I'll now give you an illustration from a reputable service provider. To view the service provider's profile and the service that he or she wants to provide, click the service right here to be sent to this page. The majority of these businesses will compensate you up to this amount, but once the processing cost is subtracted, you ought to be able to walk away with a respectable figure. Basically, you can enter any text you like into that template using this service. It's a fantastic service that many people use. Let's use Hedamil.com to look up these terms. You will be able to sell your service on 5squid under the Your Message On category of this website. With the help of this platform, you will be able to update and modify the writing on Einstein's chalkboard. As you can see, you may now modify and replace whatever you choose in the enormous box with the texts behind the words, Dynamic Einstein Picture. Say I type, "Great, subscribe right away," in the box for my channel. After I do that, click this button to edit the image, and I'm done. This was a one-for-you, hassle-free service that you can give at 5squid by just modifying or amending the text to meet the customer's requirements. It was able to update what was posted on the board in a matter of seconds. Because it is so easy to use, this service is sometimes overlooked, but as you can see, Your Message About services is highly sought after and doing quite well. This is a fantastic opportunity for beginners because it doesn't involve any technological inventiveness or expertise. All you have to do is use the Hedamil platform and modify the text to fit your client's requirements. Use the snipping tool on your computer to choose the altered photo, then click the Save button. Simply take a picture of the updated image with your phone and send it to your PC for phone users. Isn't this a great and enjoyable method? In addition to Einstein, you may also utilize the characters Uncle Sam and Quaker. I'll demonstrate how to edit Uncle Sam's photo for the sake of the video. As you can see, you have the same flexibility with the bottom text as in the Einstein instance. A new image will load nearly immediately after you click the Change button, taking only a few seconds. Similar to that, choosing Quaker will direct you to a website where the text of the image can be updated. You must first sign up with 5squid in order to market your service. Simply click the Join button below to get started, then give them the necessary details so they can set up your account. With almost any work on your part, it's easy and entertaining. To be clear, this method is entirely unrestricted and accessible from anywhere in the world. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell.